Hello and welcome. Today we have another tutorial. This time I chose SMLT Art Authentic Baby sketch album with black paper inside. So I hope you will have an interesting time and we will learn something together. For today's drawing I will use white ink, but first of all we need to draw some kind of sketch to know where things are. So I'm drawing contours of smoke. You can find a lot of smoke pictures in the internet. So all you need is to decide what do you want to draw and follow along this tutorial. Okay, so as I said, first of all I drew contours of drawing, and you don't need to be very precise because smoke is very dynamic, and all you need is to have a structure to know where certain things are. That's all. Okay, now after we drew a sketch, the body of our drawing, we need to grab a pen with white ink and start to make some dots. First of all is the approach, how you start the drawing and how you plan the whole progress. Everyone could have some different strategies. My advice would be to start from the brightest places, and then we can distinguish the contrast, and it would be easier to tone later when we have those very white, bright spots, and from there we can make it more subtle and more realistic. So yeah, first of all, the brightest places we have black because we have black paper, and then we will move on to the subtle tones of the picture. After you feel comfortable with what you see, you should have the main frame of your drawing marked by white dots. Then you can add more details. It's just like that. It's pretty simple, but keep in mind to look to the reference picture from time to time to keep it realistic and immersive, because the main mistake when we try to draw something from real world, we tend to, trust our imagination, and it's not a bad thing. It's very good. Imagination is the main part of creativity, but sometimes we see things differently in our heads, and if you want to make realistic details or realistic drawing as a whole, don't be afraid to look to nature photos and just try to copy it. That's all. By using your own style, your own ideas, and yeah. So this time we're going to an end, and I don't have much to say. Just remember that you don't need to draw perfectly, because those imperfections make art beautiful, make art unique. This time I'm saying goodbye. I invite you to subscribe our channel, if you like, and comment if you have something that you want to ask or say. Let's communicate and create some beautiful art together. Bye, till the next time.